Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's update for Flux and Ocean as well. So based on a TA request from the Discord, if you're not in Discord, join us. We're doing some buyings today. We bought Jasmine, Wi-Fi and AR, and so far they're actually moving towards the upside. They're making some good move to the upside as well. Jasmine has been left behind a little bit. Now, talking about Flux, it's looking very, very good on the weekly time frame. And I want to talk about the weekly time frame here. It's looking very good, basically, on the weekly as well. Now, what you were doing with Flux, basically, ever since last year, you just kept on moving, make a sideways move, reaccumulation, and then you kept moving towards the upside. And now you're still making a continuation pattern. In my opinion, you guys are still continuing with the uptrend. So basically, what happened is like you had some sort of that flag right here, a little bit of a flag just like that. And I'm going to show you this bull flag from here to here, and then you break out of it, and look where this one takes you. It takes you nearly to 0.084. Actually, I'm actually going to measure this by percentage. So measuring from percentage from there to there, that's going to be 500%. And then when you broke out of that bull flag, look again, 500% to the upside. Now what you're doing again is that you're making another bull flag right here. So from there to there, yeah, from there to there, just like that. And from here you're making another bull flag just like that on the weekly time frame, and that's actually very, very bullish to me. Look at that. And this one means that you are going to continue to the upside from there to there. That's going to be 500%. So there is a potential 500% rise coming within the weekly time frame on a higher time frame that can take you possibly to 9.1330 dollars, and it's looking quite good. We used to trade it back in the days when it was at 1.7, but I didn't know it was going to be so bullish back then. I actually noticed this one right now. Now on the 4-hour time frame as well, let me actually see if there's any clue I can get on the 4-hour time frame. And it seems like maybe potentially in the 4-hour time frame, it's like you're trying to put a potential double top right here, which is a little bit bearish pattern. And there's also, you can make the fact that this is also a bull flag. Who knows, this could be a bull flag as well. Okay, so from there to there, just like that, you're making a flag like this on the 4-hour time frame. If you break out of that flag, this is going to take you nearly to 2.9. So on a higher time frame though, I will recommend you, it's like a holding coin right now. I don't think trading it just like on the smaller time frame is a good idea. On a larger time frame, on the weekly time frame, it's actually a good idea because it is giving you that long-term vision that is, it can even go to $9. And we already know that it played out to the T in the past as well. But I'll recommend is always take out your profit whenever you are in a decent profit, when you feel like this is a nice good decent profit. And yeah, continue from there. So now I'm going to dive into the ocean as well. Let's talk about this one. Yeah, something I want to talk about ocean is that right now on the weekly time frame, you are making a something known as accumulation. Okay, you're trying to move, you're moving sideways for a very long time, and that's so bullish. That is really, really positive. And ocean is one of those good projects that is meant for web 3.0. And to me it seems like a good buy. Also ocean is seems like a good buy because of this accumulation phase. Now, there's one more thing that I want to talk about that we call bump and run. So actually back in May, you had that big drop, you had accumulation phase right there, and then from here you went up and then you went down. Now this one results in a bump and run. So basically this is your bump, okay, and then you run from here, you continue to the upside. So what's the technical target of that bump and run from there to there? That's going to actually give you a technical target. Since you broke out of there, that's going to be nearly 1.59 or 1.6. okay, I'm going to drop a horizontal line right there, 1.54. And even if you see this accumulation phase, if you try to break out of that accumulation phase, you can see that it's going to take you nearly that blue line right there. So let me just bring in a little bit down here to the 1.44. So you're actually looking for the 1.44 in the weekly time frame. I don't know when this is going to happen. It could take a long time. The accumulation could be longer than you expect, and that could be 61%. But in my opinion, what I'm going to say is you're going to take the top to the bottom right there, and now you can already see that the 0.618 is a big resistance. Look at that. Yes, the golden ratio is a big resistance. The zero point 0.5 is acting as a big support. Now when you break the 0.96 ocean, put a tick there. This is going to take you on a longer time frame to go nearly the $5.8 region on a higher time frame, maybe by the end of the bull run in 2022 or by the end of 2022 as well. So that's for these two coins. They're looking good. They're looking nice. Based on the charts, it's good to me personally. It's good, not a financial advice. So I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.